Log into the TeamOB console. Click on the left side hamburger icon. Click on Attendance Report. Select Date. You can generate report as single user. But in my case, I am generating for all users. There is showing login, it means when user logged in on TeamOB tool. Logout, when user log out from TeamOB tool. Work hour, actual time user spent time on TeamOB tool. Active hour, out of work hours, the time when users was active. Idle hour, out of work hours when there was no keyboard and mouse activity. Break, when user was pause, the TeamOB tool. Total hour, addition of active, idle, and break time. Away, the time when user was not in front of computer. Shift hour, this is simply difference of login and logout time. Location, if you defined any organization IP location, from configure menu, and user will work from company place, then this column will display the IP location of organization. Note, user, team leader, or admin can read and write note. View a detailed presence report of users, including abbreviations for different statuses. Then click on Muster Report button. Open the downloaded Muster Report file. You can see the user attendance log and their status. P. Present. HL half leave. SL short leave. POW present on weekend. PL paid leave. A. Absent. H. Holiday. If you want to export attendance report as an Excel, then simply click on Actions, then click on Export. Open the downloaded file and you can see the attendance report. You can see the active, idle, break, total hour, etc. When user early logged in, then it will show early logged in login comment column. When user early logged out, then it will show early logged out logout comment column. There is one column is schedule adherence shows % work employee. If you want to export with total, then click on Action button, then click on Export with Total option. There is no difference between export and export with total. Export means only shows attendance log, and export with total shows users' total days of attendance. If you want to export on specific day, then click on Action button and click Schedule option. Check on Enable Auto Export checkbox. Then select Report Type. In my case I am selecting Period. Select Individual User or All. Select Export Period as a day, week, or a month. I am selecting month. And entering export day of month as 28. Then select Export Time. Then type your email ID to get attendance report as an Excel. If you want export as an Excel less work hours of users, then simply click on Enable Attendance trigger. Select Export Time. Enter work hours as specific hours to get to export report of employee who work less defined time. Select week. Enter email ID to get Excel file. Click on Save.